Finding the perfect motorcycle isn't just about wheels and an engine. It's about discovering freedom, personality, and a ride that matches you. Whether you're chasing adrenaline fueled curves, long highway horizons, or off road adventures, the right bike can transform the journey into an unforgettable story. But with so many options, how do you pick the one that's perfect for you? In this video, I'm giving you 5 things to consider to help you choose the perfect bike. First, think about your riding style. Do you dream of cruising down the highway? Cruisers are built for relaxed, long distance riding with comfortable seating and powerful engines designed to soak up the miles. Or maybe you crave adrenaline. Sport riding demands performance-oriented machines with aggressive handling, lightweight frames, and aerodynamic designs that carve through the curves. But maybe you're looking for something else. If off-road exploration calls to you, adventure bikes deliver. With durable construction, larger fuel tanks, and all-day comfort, they're perfect for those who see the road as just the beginning. With your riding style in mind, let's not forget your experience level matters too. For beginners, smaller, lighter bikes with lower power outputs and forgiving handling are key to building confidence. Intermediate riders might prefer bikes with more power and features like ABS and traction control, offering a balance between performance and safety. And for seasoned riders, high-performance motorcycles with specialized features can be tailored to specific riding styles for the ultimate experience. Just don't kid yourself about your level of experience and which category you fall into. Beginner. Now, while we're being honest about our experience level, remember, budget plays a big role too. Entry-level options, including used bikes or smaller engines, are great for new riders. Mid-range motorcycles strike a balance between price and performance, while high-end machines offer cutting-edge technology and luxury materials. Think about the type of bike that fits your style. Cruisers offer classic American appeal with a relaxed riding position and V-twin engines. Sport bikes prioritize performance with sleek designs and powerful engines. Adventure bikes, meanwhile, excel at versatility, conquering both on and off-road terrain with ease. The only way to know for sure? Take a test ride. Feel the handling, power, and comfort of every bike you're considering for yourself. This is the only true way to know which motorcycle really is going to be the best fit for you. And even a short test ride isn't going to really tell you that. You'll need to spend some good time in the saddle on one of these bikes to really get a feel for this machine and figure out if you love it or not. Now, whether you're leaning towards one type of bike or the other, make sure and do your homework. Read reviews, compare specs, and watch videos to narrow down your choices. When I was shopping for my first bike, I was really excited to get a motorcycle, but I took my time so I could find the perfect one for me. And I'm so glad I did. Don't rush this process. At the end of the day, the best bike is the one that suits your riding style, experience, and budget. Take your time and you'll find your perfect match. Because every ride starts with the right motorcycle, what will yours be? Drop a comment below and let us know the first bike you started on, or if you're considering getting a bike, what you're thinking about picking. I want to hear about it. Ultimately, the right motorcycle for you is going to be the best tool for the job. So think about the reason you actually want to ride motorcycles. What do you want to get out of it? Why do you want to do this? That's the motorcycle that's going to be the right fit for you. The one you're going to fall in love with, want to get on all the time, want to practice on endlessly, put tons of miles on, get lots of experience on, and have a blast every second of the way. I'm excited for you and I can't wait to hear what you choose. But what if you already have the perfect bike in mind and know exactly what you're gonna pick out? But there's another huge problem holding you back. It's cold outside, it's wintertime, and it's snowing. And even if you do pick the perfect bike, how are you gonna get out there and ride the thing and enjoy it? Well, then watch this video next to learn 5 awesome tips for riding your motorcycle in the wintertime that'll help you beat the cold and avoid becoming a meat popsicle. That's right, meat popsicle.